In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup of your HP Envoy 6455E printer. Now the first thing is to activate the display panel. So press and hold the information button until all lights are on. Release it. Now press and hold the information button and the cancel button once. Wait for the printer to print a page. Here we can see it has printed the page, and this page contains the information regarding printer's Wi-Fi Direct, and its password is written below. Now the Wi-Fi Direct is activated in this process. Now go to your device like iPhone, Android phone, and we will start the setup. For that we have to go and open the Wi-Fi setting of your phone. Wait for the printer to show up here. HP Envoy Direct. Select it. Enter the password as printed on the sheet. So this is different for each printer. And click on the join button. Instantly it will connect with the printer Wi-Fi. You can see here. Now if you want to print any document, you can simply open the document and send a command for the printing. Or if you want to use the HP Smart app, you have to go to the app and add this printer there. So click on the add printer button. And here we have to select add a printer that's already set up. So add printer, and it will display your HP Envoy printer. Select it. Instantly it adds up here. Now from here you can start wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi direct setup, and we can use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.